I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your SIM card on Movistar can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it without losing your data. Step 1. Back up your data. Before you start, make sure to back up any important data on your current SIM. This includes contacts, messages, and any other information you want to keep. Step 2. Power off your device. Turn off your phone completely. This prevents any potential damage to the SIM card or the device during the swap. Step 3. Remove the old SIM card. Locate the SIM card tray on your device. Use the SIM eject tool or a paper clip to gently pop out the tray and remove the old SIM card. Step 4. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it's aligned correctly with the notch. Slide the tray back into the device until it clicks into place. Step 5. Power on and test. Turn your device back on and check if you have signal reception. If prompted, enter your PIN code for the new SIM. If you don't see any signal, double check that the SIM is properly seated. If you follow these steps, you should be able to change your SIM card without any hassle. If you run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Movistar customer support for assistance. Happy connecting!